Hello, I wanted to show you how to set up a Google Hangout with your kids and how they want it set up so that you can put it in your Google Classroom for tutorial purposes. So first go to Create on your calendar, go to your Google Calendar, go to Create, and you can go ahead and put your title in here. When I did it for my Algebra 2 teachers, I named it so that we all shared, so the kids knew whose calendar they were going into, so it was by name. Now go to More Options, and when you're in More Options, you click on Add Conferencing and click on Hangouts Meet. You can set your date. They prefer for us to have 30-minute sessions and as few as 2 hours a week. So you need to do at least 2 hours. And if I do only a 30-minute session, I'll just leave it at 2:30. We'll go 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Now I want that to repeat. So I'm going to click on Repeats. And I'm going to go down to Custom, because I want this to repeat not only on Wednesdays, not only once a week, but I want it to go every week. And I want to do it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You can pick whatever days you wanted to do it. And then I'm going to click on Occurrences. Now, Occurrences is how many times you want this to show up. In 1 week, that's 4 occurrences. So if we're going to do it for another 4 weeks, let's say, we would need to make that 16 occurrences. So it shows up four more weeks worth of 4 times. And then click on Done. Now you can tell it to end on a day, and you can pick the calendar day that you want to do that. That's fine. But I like to do the occurrences. That way I know it's going to end after a certain amount of time. You don't need to worry about your location. You can add, when you want to add guests, you want to make sure that you include Mr. McFarland. You can include me if you want to. You do not have to. But we have all included Mr. McFarland on all of ours. It will automatically send them an invite on their calendar so that he'll have it available all the time. Okay. Now, when you finish, you click Save, and it will save. So I have mine saved at 2:30. When I click on it and I hover over the meets, see how it gives me a little sheets of paper over here, and it says the copy conference link to clipboard. So if I click on that, it tells me down at the bottom that it's successfully copied. So now if I go to my Google Classroom, I can put it either in the stream, or if you wanted to create an assignment so that it's in their assignment section, either place, it doesn't matter. If you click on the stream, then all you have to do, you can add and then add a link. And when you add your link, you just simply do Control V, and that is your Google, the one that it just saved. That's my Google Hangout. And when I add my link, it'll add it for them automatically. So the kids can click on that, and it will take them automatically to your link. When they click on it, it'll take them to your Google Meets. You would be on the other side. There's my lovely video. Sorry, my hair's sticking up. And you would join your meet. You would be on your meet with your kids. They would be able to ask you questions, and you could answer your questions and so on. Okay? So that's really what you're needing to do. Once you get all that set up, you should be able to share that link just like I did there. You should be able to also take it and put it in an email. And I'll just do one to me. And when I go here, in the email, down at the bottom, you have a little link. It's underneath my thing. You can't see it, but it says link. And you can insert your link here. If you don't tell it what you want to put there, you can, but I just put Hangout. And then that way in my text, it will say Hangout. But when you click on that, it automatically goes to that link of the Hangout that you want. And you could send that to both me and to Mr. McFarland. Okay, so if you still have any questions, let me know. Hopefully that helps. And then you can share that on your Google Calendar with your kids. If they use Google Classroom, the Google Calendar, you can put it on the Google Calendar. But if they just use Classroom, my kids only use Classroom, so I put all my links in my Google Classroom. But if you want to invite them on on the Hangout, you can certainly put their email address in on the invite, and it'll send them a calendar invite as well. Okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, hopefully that helps you out. Thanks. Have a good day.